Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a simple Christmas design using the Fillinger script in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1920 by 1080. I have these colors, which I will be using in the design. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Apply the dark color to it. Go the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Select the Star tool and draw a star. Draw it again, but this time press the down arrow key on the keyboard. Set the points to 4. Then to 3. And follow the same process. Now draw a triangle using the polygon tool and adjust its size. And try to match the size. Select all the shapes, hold Alt, and drag to make a copy. Change the fill to outline and increase the stroke weight. Select the outlined shapes, go to the Object menu, and choose Expand Appearance. Now apply different colors to them by following the same process. Select all, right-click, and choose Group. Now draw another triangle and adjust its size and position. Select the main triangle, right-click on it, go to Arrange, and choose Bring to Front. Select all, go to the File menu, then Scripts, and select Fillinger. Apply the required settings. Copy the star and place it on top of the tree. Copy it. Then paste it in front, decrease its size. Add a bit darker color. And apply the blend effect to them. Let's try it with other examples. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.